Okay, so you have all your pages here in the order that you want. It is time to publish. Now don't freak out. No one's going to really see your site because we're going to keep it controlled. The first step is to name your site. So you can name it anything that is basically appropriate for a learning environment. So it could be some funky name, it could be a nickname, or it could be really simple, Anne's Learning Portfolio. You decide. It can always be changed. So you have a name. The next thing you want to do is publish. Now watch carefully. When you go to publish, you have a couple different things. We see that it's taken my title and made that a web address. So that's cool. The other thing is who can view my site. You want to leave it at anyone at the Waterloo Region District School Board. You do want to be able to see it from other people, like we'll need to share it within our class. That will come in due time. First, it's just you and me. And I don't want you to just put your stuff out on the web until I know that you're ready for that and your parents, guardians know that you're ready for that. So it's something that we just want to keep it in what we call the walled garden. It's like the walled garden of the internet is that idea that this is our safe space to play, to learn, to try before we're ready for the real world. If you were to change it, you would go through the manage. We are going to publish it. Da, 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 and it's published. The next question is a lot of people ask is how do you view? This little pop-up button happens down below. Now it's disappeared on me. You could push view there, or if you press the down triangle, you can see your view published site, and that takes you to your published site and your different pages, which, I should have said the home page. You can put a title there. Okay, so that gets you started that way.